And today we are excited that the BMW 3 Series is once again named a 10 Best by Car and Driver, believe it or not, for the 22nd consecutive year. The good news is we have a full production pipeline of these vehicles that are already arriving at US dealers, and there is more to come to meet customers' demand. We know the heart of our success is our expanding line of new and exceptional vehicles. Our product offensive has continued, and by the end of this year, over 60% of our vehicle lineup will be represented by more than 14 all-new or significantly refreshed models, including some you see here on the floor today. This is the most ever in one year for BMW in the United States. This momentum continues into 2013 as we launch 11 new and refreshed models in this country. To highlight a few, the stunning example of this new 7 Series here on display around the corner, finished in all new color frozen white, and it showcases BMW Individual, in which a buyer can individually customize a BMW to his or her personal taste. BMW Individual is also represented on the stand today by the impressive new Individual Performance Edition BMW X6 right over there. It is fitting that these two vehicles are making their North American show premiere in Los Angeles, a city where many of our customers proudly special order their BMWs. This year, we've also launched the new BMW X1. This new BMW family member opens up a new segment of young, sport-minded drivers looking for an attainable BMW experience. We are exploring vehicles specifically tailored to the desires of this new customer, such as the BMW Concept K2 Powder Ride on display over there, designed in conjunction with K2 for the cold weather sports enthusiast. BMW's commitment to sustainability is clear in our efficient dynamics philosophy, which supports our goal of reducing emission and fuel consumption while making vehicles that are exhilarating to drive. As an example of this commitment, this year we've launched our fleet of active hybrid vehicles in the 3, 5 and 7 range. These full hybrid vehicles have a capacity to run on either gasoline or electric, and they incorporate intelligent energy management to further maximize efficiency. At the same time, they retain all the performance characteristics expected from the ultimate driving machine. Further underscoring our commitment to sustainability is the expansion of our diesel power variants coming to the US next year. We're pleased to announce that next year the new 3 Series sedan and the sports wagon will be available with a 184 horsepower 4-cylinder diesel engine. The 5 Series sedan will be available with a new 6-cylinder diesel. Both will provide exceptional fuel mileage with the performance expected of a BMW. This entire range of vehicles surrounding me, as well as those coming in the near future, contain the essence of our view of the world of premium vehicles. A balance of performance and sustainability. And for us, at BMW, nothing exemplifies the arrival of the future premium vehicles more than BMW i. To tell you more about BMW i and show you some of the latest concepts, here's BMW's Global Head of Design, Adrian van Heuler. Adrian, the floor is yours.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is a real pleasure for me to be back in LA, a city that I was able to call my home for almost 5 years. And I can tell you then from my own experience that this is a great place to live and be creative as a designer. And this is why we have a design studio quite near here in Newbury Park. It is called DesignWorks USA, and it's actually quite special, also in my own experience. It's special in the sense that at DesignWorks we not only do car design or motorcycle design, we actually work for a wide variety of clients out of very different industries. We do some airplane design, train design there, Or, for example, we design furniture. In this case, also on display here on the show stand, some chairs that we have designed for an American company called Allsteel that are in the lounge over here. So this is actually just testament to the importance of design, and I believe there is no design studio in the world that has been so successful in designing such a wide variety of products. And this year DesignWorks is celebrating its 40th anniversary. So they are making strong contributions to our future and to the future of many other companies. Now I would like to talk a little bit about the future of BMW. And you know that the future will bring a very different kind of mobility, especially in a city like Los Angeles. Everybody wants to be mobile, needs to be mobile. This city loves cars, and there is a lot of changes coming our way. BMW will continue to provide premium products, and of course they will have the look and feel of premium products. And in the design of premium products, it's all about attention to detail, it's about precision, it is about refinement, and it is about exquisite materials. And I would almost venture to say that we know how to do that. Now going forward into the future, there is a new aspect that will enter our design world, and that is sustainability. So here on this side, concept I8. This is our idea of a sports car of the future. This is a vehicle in which you can drive out of your garage in electric mode, no sound, no emission. And then out on the open road, you can press the accelerator, and then you will access power or performance that is comparable to an M3. And when you get back home, you will realize that your fuel consumption is at the level of a small city vehicle. So this is a combination that we feel is not available in the market today. So we see a real market opportunity here. Talking about the design, as a sports car, of course, it has to look like it will move fast. There is some elements that you will recognize from the BMW mother brand, like on a minimum footprint. The carbon fiber structure allowed us to have very big glass openings, so you have very good all-round visibility. Especially notable here in the design of the C-pillar, which is completely transparent, so when you look over your shoulder when changing lanes, you will actually have a very good overview over traffic. And then coming briefly to the design of the rear of the vehicle, you'll see very modern detailing in how the tail lamps are set underneath the glass, a very flush look and a very modern look, we believe. And the interior continues that theme. It is showing lightness, it is showing modernity, it looks very futuristic, I believe, and very much like the concept I8, also this concept gives you a very, very close look at what the production vehicle will look like next year. So these two vehicles represent our idea of tackling the challenges of the future, of basically developing a new kind of mobility, that we are able to develop other kinds of mobility as well. You will see on the show stand all around us. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank you for joining us here at this press conference, and I'd like to invite you to the mini press conference, which will happen further down in this hall at 4:40. Thank you very much.
Thank you.